y'all, spend the weekend with me as a mom, individual, wife, therapist, entrepreneur. This is me first thing in the morning, Saturday, getting up, got dressed for the gym. So last night I ordered this like protein powder where it's not milk based, it's like you add water and it's supposed to be better. So I'm gonna try it. This is the product right here. It just came. Man, I hate that the stupid thing is always at the bottom. It's so messy. But I'm gonna try it out today. All right, this is my baby girl. I'm about to take her to dance before I go to the gym. All right, having myself up to go to the gym. In order for me to be in the gym, y'all know I need headphones, gloves, and then this is the new drink I'm trying. I just added some water while I was in the gym. So it's a protein drink. So my goal is to try to have protein with like all my meals. So now I am ready to get this thing started, baby. All right, so this is probably about 20 minutes in. I'm fighting for my life. Let me let y'all hear me real quick. So basically, I'd be like, Celeste, just do 10 minutes. And then 10 minutes comes up like, all right, 5 more minutes. And then when I get to 15, I'll be like, all right, you're almost there, 20 minutes. And by the time I get to 20, I'm like, you might as well just go do the whole 30. I literally will be using psychology on myself to get myself going. But I did it, 30 minutes, baby. All right, after my workout, I did a quick stretch and I went to T-Mobile trying to get a new watch, so they had to order it. Then I went to Target, grabbed a few things. I ran out of vitamin D, and y'all know it's winter time. Gotta get that vitamin D, baby. All right, next stop, car wash. I got 4 kids and they be just putting stuff everywhere. So when things are unorganized, I just can't think clear. So doing a quick wash. I did the outside. Now I'm just like vacuuming the inside of the car and getting everything ready. All right, so it's 12:20. Just finished cleaning my car. I found some earrings that I brought a while ago. They was on the side. So now I'm going to go home, shower, make sure there's dinner, and then go to the office to get some work done and record and all of the entrepreneur-ish things that comes with the job. All right, I got home, started cleaning, started cooking, and I don't want to go to the office no more. So I try to prepare the meats and stuff for the week so that it makes my job easier during the week. So yeah, I'm just going to do that and stay home and just work from home. All right, so I showered, changed, and got comfy since I'm going to be in for the night. Love me some slippers. So my friend DM'd me that post that J. Cole is going to be at Madison Square Garden December the 16th on a Monday. Like, I feel like that's a little disrespectful, like, on a Monday. But you know what I'm saying? We're going to make it work. That's the... Now, this is one of the benefits of being an entrepreneur. I ain't got to ask for that day off. But I feel like if I was working somewhere and you pulled that on a Monday, like, that's kind of... And it's close to Christmas, like... Y'all ain't getting Christmas gifts, period. Like, I'm telling kids Christmas is canceled because J. Cole is dropping the show, baby. Yeah, so after she DM'd me, I had to set up them reminders. If you know me, yo, I just absolutely love J. Cole. This is a random drop of a concert on a Monday, but we're going to make it do what it do. I'm going to try to make it work out. And set these reminders and hope that I get them. All right, this is what I packed to go into the office. I didn't go, so I'm just this is the end of my night. I got a baked potato, some beef, vegetables, spinach, and sour cream. And I'm gonna end it starting this new movie called The Mamas. Heard it was a really good movie, so I'm like really excited to check it out. And that is my Saturday. All right, let's get into my Sunday. My son texted me at 9:35. This is about 12. I got up late, wanting some Alfredo. And I love cooking, so your girl made your boy, my son, some Alfredo. I love fresh Alfredo, so I used some butter, garlic, and fresh parm chicken, and that is the Alfredo. He was so happy. He's obsessed with basketball, so I dropped him off before going to the office. So I'm like, y'all, I love watching people, they show themselves walking into the office. I'm like, yo, I ain't got time for all that, setting up a camera and then walk upstairs, then reposition the camera. No. So you get the view that I get walking into my office. This is me walking into my office. I just love the smell. So I got to turn on the heat because it's cold, right? Every unit has its own heating system. And I was like, do I want to clean or record first? So I decided to clean first. I like to do a fresh clean once a week, just the dusting and vacuuming and stuff. So I'm wiping things down, refilling the candy bowl because, that goes every time people come, get a little candy. I have chapstick and hand sanitizers, and I got a water the plant. So I do like the main area and then the other two offices. This next office is the one that I use the most, and this is where I record at as well and work at. So getting that together before I sit down and get my research ready for my next episode. All right, so I just cleaned the office and I spilled pasta on me from earlier. So if I can't get this off, I'm gonna have to change my shirt. I brought 2 shirts because I'm gonna try to record 2 episodes. I have almost 2 hours because I am going to a meditation class tonight with my friends. So yeah, I'm about to do quick research, get my topics together, try to clean this mess off, and if I can't clean it off, I'm gonna have to switch into my other shirt that I got 2 shirts. All right, so this is me just doing some research. So I've been podcasting since 2018. I've always done a lot of solo episodes. I like to do little bullet points and then talk. Now that I do it on YouTube, I also like to give visuals because I'm a very visual learner. So this is just me kind of getting the content ready so that I can present it on the episode that I'm going to be doing for the week. Let me know if you want me to put together the different tools that I use to record, edit, and do all this stuff because it's so natural for me. I think I'm going to make a PDF so that people can just get it for free. It's 3:30. I started my research at 2:44, so now I'm going to record, and I'm going to do imposter syndrome. I'm going to record, then set the video up for release, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do another one. I was trying to get 2 out the way, but I don't think I'll have time, but I'm going to at least try to do a little research since I got the cleaning out the way. So now I am about to record, and I think I got most of the stuff off. I'm going to see how it looks on camera. All right, I had to change the sweater, and I recorded this really quick. The battery died in my computer. I had to reposition myself towards the end, but it worked out fine. I got the episode recorded, but I didn't get to do 2, so it's fine. So now I'm going to leave, pick up my son, drop him off, and then head to my meditation class that I'm really so excited about. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. So I just had a class. Tell people the name of your class.
It's Restore every Sunday, baby. Every Sunday, 5:45.
Yes, and it was my first time here, and when I turned over, this is the first time I'm telling her this, I shed a tear. I got filled with so much gratitude.
After class?
No, in the middle of class.
Oh my gosh, Celeste, you're gonna make me cry.
No, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm able to do this. This is so nice. So thank you.
Thank you for being here. I appreciate it.
All right, y'all, that was my weekend in a nutshell. So, very uneventful, very just nothing. But, as a wife, a mom, a business owner, someone who just loves, I love everything around wellness. I enjoy taking you all into my world. So, if you like the content and you want to see more, let me know. But thank y'all so much. Love y'all so much. Appreciate y'all so much. Bye. All right, I had to add this to the video because, I went online exactly at 10 a.m. I set my alarm. I was 1,400 in the queue, and my stomach was turning. I know these are first world problems, but I love J. Cole, y'all. So anyways, I'm in there, and I'm trying to type in the code once I get in the queue. So yesterday I had Googled it, and it said use social, so I'm typing it. I'm trying to type in social. I don't know what's happening. So my stomach's turning. I'm like, am I going to lose my spot? This is the first time me doing this. So I type in social. It doesn't work. So I'm like, all right, let me try doing it in all caps. So I do it in all caps. It took a while. I redo it, and then I'm like, oh, press all tickets. So anyways, I press all tickets, and your girl is in there like swimwear, baby. And of course, your girl got them tickets. I'm so excited. This just made my entire month, like, period. Bye.